Hello students, this is your GK class and today I am going to teach your sixth chapter, that is Around the World, and under this chapter there are two sub-chapters, World Civilization and International Organization. So the first one is the World Civilizations. The first one is here the Mesopotamia, the region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, was the area of this civilization and one of the world's first two civilizations, the other being the Egyptian civilization. And the answer is Mesopotamia civilization. The second one is the one of the greatest civilization of America, and the people of that time lived in swampy lowlands of Gulf of Mexico, and they worshipped the jaguar god known as the people of the jaguar. And the answer is Olympic civilization. The third one is the ancient civilization in northeastern Africa flourished along the lower reaches of the river Nile in modern day Egypt, and it is one of 6 global civilizations which arose independently, and the answer is Egyptian civilization. Fourth is the greatest achievement of this civilization was your cuneiform system of writing. Cuneiform means wedge-shaped, and in ancient times people used stylus or sharpened reeds to write on tablets of rock clay. So the fourth answer is Sumerian civilization. The fifth one is this civilization had the knowledge of urban planning and efficient municipal governments. The streets of major cities such as Mohenjo-daro were laid out in perfect grid pattern. The houses were constructed in such a way that they were protected from noise, orders, and thieves. And the answer is Indus Valley civilization. The last one is the Yellow River is said to be the cradle of this civilization, although cultures originated at different regional centers along both the Yellow and Yangtze rivers millennia ago in Neolithic area. And the answer is Chinese civilization. So this is the world civilizations. The next one is the international organizations. So we will read one by one. The first one is this organization came into existence in 1949 and it is designed to promote the stability of the North Atlantic area and to safeguard the freedom of its peoples. So the answer is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So write the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO. The second one is Regional Intergovernmental Organization comprising 10 member states, and it was established by Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore and Thailand on August 8, 1967. And the answer is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Here the answers are the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. Third one is it is a regional security organization that works on early warning, conflict prevention, crisis management, and post-conflict rehabilitation in the European and Eurasian region. And the answer is here the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, OSCE. The fourth one is this agreement came into force on 1st January 1948 and it is a treaty setting rules for world trade, and it is now under the umbrella of the World Trade Organization, and the answer is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT. The fifth one is it is popularly known as the Common Market, and it was established on 1st January 1958 by a group of 12 West European nations. And the answer is European Economic Community, EEC. And the last one is originally known as the British Commonwealth of Nations, and today it consists of 53 nations and almost all of Britain's former colonies and dependencies. The answer is the Commonwealth. So here your chapter Around the World that is completed. So please write the answers in your book and learn them. Thank you.